Hello, my name is Ellen and today we're going to be cooking cookies. But firstly, I must prepare my ingredients and measurement tools. My measurement tools are a measuring cup and a scale. My first ingredient is 150 grams of softened butter, making sure I half it. Half of that is 75 grams. The way I got that was 150 divided by 2. My next ingredient is half a cup of caster sugar. Half of that is 1/4. The way I got this was by half divided by 2 equals half divided by 4 halves, which is also the same as two wholes, equals half, which is also, the equivalent to half times 2/4 equals 2/8. But you can also simplify this by dividing the top and bottom by 2, which then finally equals 1/4. My next ingredient is half a cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to use the same method as we did for the caster sugar, which again equals 1/4. My next ingredient is 1 egg, and the way I've halved this was by firstly pouring it into a bowl, mixing it, then weighing it. It had a total mass of 60 grams. Then I halved it and eventually it had 30 grams. My next ingredient is 1 whole and 3/4 of plain flour. The way I got this equation was 4/4 plus 3/4, which equals 7/4. 7/4 is here. Then I halved it, which equals 3.5/4. My 2 last and final ingredients are half a cup of dark chocolate and half a cup of milk chocolate. I'd use the same method for both of these and halved exactly a half, which equals 1/4. So I've got my ingredients, my 2 trays and baking paper, and I have my bowl here to mix all my ingredients together. And I'm about to preheat my oven to 160 degrees with fan force on. So first I need to use an electric mixer, so I need to beat the butter into the bowl. Then I need my sugars, so my caster sugar and my brown sugar. And then I need my vanilla extract. My hands are slippery. So I've got my half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix these together. So now I'm going to pour in the egg. Now I'm going to slowly pour in the flour. And now I think the cookies have been stirred. Now I'm going to add some chocolate bits and leave some for later. My next step is to roll 2 tablespoons of mixture into bowls and place in the prepared trays, making sure that they're 3 centimeters apart. I've rolled all my cookie dough and now I'm going to flat it while using a spoon. oven's hot, my cookies are ready, and it's time to bake. Cookies are baked and are cooling down now. And I've decided to share them equally with my brother, which is 10 for me and 8 for him. Nah, I'm just kidding. 9 for me and 9 for him. Alright, so 10 for me and 8 for you.
But no!
Thank you for listening.